Start with feet together, hands on your hips. Move forward with the right leg and descend to the joint so that the right knee is bent at an angle of 90 degrees. Jump up, shifting legs in space. Lie down with your left leg forward, and quickly descend to the floor. Start with legs that are wider than the hip, with the arms held to the sides holding the weight or tied in front of the chest. Keep the weight on the heels and back straight, sit the buttocks back and bend the knees to lower to the squat until the thighs are straight down. Remember to keep the knees aligned with the toes at all times. Keep the speed equal and go back to start. Sets 3. Stand with feet slightly wider than hip width and descend to a deep squat. Get up as if you are jumping, but sit in a position facing the forearm and bring your right leg back. Use force to jump from this lunge to the squat. Then again, down into the cave on the other side. Sets 2. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.